Okay, well, that was weird. The live stream got cut off right when I started going into this, like literally 3 or 4 minutes in. All right. But we're going to keep on going. As far as it goes for this, from what I saw all these hours watching that stupid court, nothing. This does not look good for Harry. In my opinion, what we saw was nothing different than anything we've already heard. This does not look good for the client, and we're all going to laugh when he doesn't get his security, because tomorrow is going to be a private session. It's not going to be for the public, yada yada. So we do know that these two idiots in today's court session, I have some notes and everything, we have them using again the fake car chase and the whole Taliban thing that Harry talked about in his book. Now, both of those things were created by Harry. Now, of course, with the fake car chase, Meghan and Doria had to do with that as well. But essentially, that's the way that went. Neither of those things, the fake car chase or the Taliban thing, neither of those things can be proven to actually be real. Because one of them was in Harry's book, and the other one was literally a plan by Meghan, her mother, and this client. So I don't know why they're still bringing it in, but of course it's something else that they tried to do. But they're trying to say the judge and the original choice to take away his security made an error. They never actually said why. They just kept on repeating themselves. Okay. And then, of course, the other side, once it was the other side's to speak, the other side to speak, once it was their turn, they said, no, the judge didn't make an error. So then as we know, tomorrow's proceedings are going to be behind closed doors. The client can't show the judge was wrong to reject his claim. And he can't. He actually can't. Because all this is about is Harry crying that he didn't get his way. That's all that we had. We had Harry's attorney. This woman, she was up there for over an hour talking. And essentially, the only thing she said was because of the Risk Management Board, RMB. And she was saying that since Ravik didn't have an RMB, which is an assessment by the Risk Management Board, well, then that's the biggest reason. And the thing is, that's what's been said for years. I was really of the opinion that Harry was going to bring something new. I was really of the opinion that they were going to try something out and give us some information that we've never heard before. But no, that wasn't it. They even talked about how the two idiots were forced. Now it's not because they wanted to. Now it's not because Harry was trapped, the way he said of his brother and his father, right? It's not because Harry was trapped in royal life. Now, in what they said today in court, was because it was heard that they had no choice to step back from their duties, as they were not being protected by the institution. Okay, that's fine. That's great. That's grand. Nobody believes that stupid shit, but fine. And this is the issue, is that when you're talking about coming to court, right, with the same crap that everybody knows, I think this is a massive mistake on Harry's part, and I think that this is what he's expecting. He was expecting everything to go his way because his entire life, everything has always gone his way. And as far as I'm concerned, there's not really much else to go into because everything is the same. Everything that you and I know. The Risk Management Board, Ravik made an error. Meghan and Harry were forced to step back because of the fake car chase and the Taliban. It's all the same crap, right? So I got to say it. I really do. I have to say it right here. I think Harry screwed. And it's hilarious. Why? Because essentially this is what he wanted. Okay, he wanted to remove himself from the royal family. He wanted to take himself out with his fake black wife, and that's what they did. So go eat it. Who cares, right? Quit crying.